this is one of the best features of the new house. We gave up a place in a suburban neighborhood. Nice place. It did have a wooded lot behind it, but it was more brush than forest. And now, basically, in our front yard, we have this creek, river, and little waterfalls. Yes, there's a footbridge to get over to it, so you know there's a hassle that deterred a lot of other people, but that's what really drew us to this sort of secluded but open, really nestled in nature type of place. And we're determined to really, you know, modernize the house. It's definitely a fixer-upper, and we're going to do it our way and bring some modern lifestyle into a rustic house. We'll be going through here a little bit, cleaning out, and then once we can get it all cleared out, we'll kind of take a breath and figure out what we want to do, what kind of look we want to have. Definitely a modern rustic look to it. The house, the base of it is very rustic. Couple fireplaces, solid wood beams. It's just going to take a lot of work. Get everything out. Then we can move our stuff in and start to think about what kind of changes we want to make this part of our lifestyle. Beautiful old rustic fireplace, which is not up to code at all, and it will cost a lot to get it to code. So we decided that we're going to modernize it a little bit. But to start, we're going to clean it up and give it a fresh modern look.
Is it easy?
Yeah, I should unscrew this and take it off and all that. Wow, these lights are crazy hot.
You should replace the light too.
Yeah, it's definitely not like energy efficient.
No. Or safe.
Yeah. End of the big project we're tackling here. I got the drum sander, and we are redoing all of these old hardwood floors, taking the top off. They had a really rough, dark 1960s stain on it. So we're just taking it down to natural colors, and then we'll probably just seal it afterwards with the clear wood. Okay, brightening it up. So after we're done with the drum floor sander, it takes up all the main stuff, just doesn't get close to the edges. So we still have to then tackle with a hand sander. This is a Clark floor sander and 7-inch, and it should get the job done. So we are all sanded and down to the core. And now I am doing a water-based polyurethane. Got everything out and looking like upstairs is done. Downstairs, we're working on it. Next, we gotta take care of this room. So we still got some work here, working towards it's gonna be the modern rustic dining room, so we'll get that done.